How can you operate midea washing machine? Is midea washing machine 13 kg. 13 kg. Okay, let's see. So this is spin, rinse, delay. So normal, gin wash, mix, white cloth, black cloth. So hand wash, you can use hand wash, baby care, delicate materials, towel, sheet, rinse and spin, soak, top clean and quick wash. Now we have a warm wash, hot and cold wash. So now you can see the water level. It can be low, mid, high, max. Now you on it here, you start. You see, that is how to operate this washing machine. Let's go to the second one. Let me teach you how you can operate the second one, which is the normal one. This is the second one, which is 12 kg. The other one is 13 kg. This one is 12 kg. Can you see here? You can operate it in this place. So you can on and you can start. So this is touch screen. Can you see? This is touch screen. So now I can open it from here. Let me open it for you. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see inside? So you can drop your clothes there. Then close it. Now you start. You start. Then you wash. So these are the different ways that we can use in washing. We can use washing machine to actually do some stuff. So here you can put your, check here, check this place, put your soap, put everything that you want to put, then you close. Now, yeah, welcome to your material. This is your material, so you can adjust. So this is a washing machine for you. So drop your comment in the comment section and let us see anything you have to say, so I will reply you. Thank you very much. This is your mere case, your material. Thank you.